All right, hey guys, how's it going again? All right, so this time what we're going to be doing is we are going to be working a little bit with something called operators. And now operators are just mathematical functions that you see, in math, basic arithmetic, essentially. So let's get Xcode booted up here. All right. I should probably use the command space shortcut a little more. Oh, I changed my background, by the way. It's here. It's a. Can I move this? Yeah, there you go. It's a picture of St. Paul in the fall, which rhymes. Also, it's a very, very pretty background. I like it a lot. Okay, so let's go back to our playground. Let's go to open recent here. I guess it's not very recent anymore. All right, let's just see here. All right, there we go. Swift Wonderland. Actually, let's not open that one. Let's open. Let's see here. I think it might be in J Swift videos. There we go. iRule.playground. Let's open this file up here. All right. So operators. So how do we? What is an operator? Well, how do we use it? It's very very simple. This should be a very very simple and quick video. So essentially, think of it as just like a plus, minus, multiplication, division, and remainder. So I'm just going to comment this out real quick, but these are the operators. So you got the plus, minus, multiplication, division, and then you have this little percentage sign here. And I just commented that out, so that code isn't running anything. All right, let's remind me tomorrow. I've been postponing the updates for an extremely long time now. Alrighty. All right, so let's give this a try here. So let's say I want to make like, I don't know, like 2 plus 2. See what happens there. If it'll run fast enough here. 4, right? So we got a little 4 over here. All right, let's try doing like 2 minus 4. See what we get there. -2. Whoa, radical. Okay, and let's try like 3 times 6. What do you guys think that'll be? Any clue? 18. Okay, good. Maybe 18 divided by 6. See what happens there. Yeah, we got 3 here. So the last one is kind of a tricky one. So say you're making an application and you want to see what like a remainder of something. So for example, I don't know. I can't think of. Okay, so for example, let's say, yeah, for example, like your application is some sort of math problem, right? And it's saying Jake Waitman has $15 and apples cost $4 each. Um, if he buys as many apples as he can, how much money will he have left over? Well, let's see that. So Jake has $15, right? And he can only buy a total of 3 apples, and they're $4 each, so it would be $12. So how much money would he have remaining? He would have $3 remaining right here. So that's basically what the remainder symbol does. You'll definitely encounter it occasionally, and it is pretty nice and pretty handy to have around. All right, so yeah, those are just operators in a nutshell for you, and I'm pretty sure they follow PEMDAS. The parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. That's PEMDAS. I'm sure you guys learned that in elementary school. You probably should have. Let's see here. So let's try 15 minus 3. Let's do that here. 2 times. So that should be what? 12 plus should be 24 if it does it correctly. Yep, there we go. Yeah, so it does respect PEMDAS here. So, yep, that's operators in a nutshell for you. So I want you to pause right now. All right, and I want you to create an operation that will somehow equal 5, whether it be through multiplication, division, remainder, whatever. All right. Actually, don't pause yet. Let's have you do that for each one of the operators. So I'm gonna get rid of this here. and then must add up to 5. All right, pause and go ahead. Okay, I hope you had enough time to do that. So let's get cracking here. So first, let's start off with addition here. So 2 plus 3 equals 5, right? And let's say 7, and then we're going to go on to subtraction. So 7 minus 2 equals 5, and let's just double check here. I mean, this is really basic, like kindergarten math. I mean, more like preschool, but anyway. Okay, and multiplication, 5 times 1 is 1, right? And division, let's say 10 divided by 2, right? Let's see what we get here. All right. And how about we do, I'm trying to think of a remainder. I can't, it's, okay. Oops, my bad. Okay, there we go. And that should be 5. It'd be very embarrassing if it wasn't. Okay, good. It's gonna let Academy think straight right now. Okay, so that's operators in a nutshell for you. Let's just try one more exercise. Now, I want you to use parentheses and in respect to PEMDAS and make it equal to 5 again. That's your last exercise. Okay, hope you had some time to do that. Let's run through that. So let's do 4, I don't know, 4 times 3 divided by 1, what is that? So that's 12, and minus 7. Let's see if double parentheses is going to work here. Yeah, I guess not. Oh, wait, oh, nope, it didn't work. Okay, yeah. So we've got 12 here, and let's just do minus 7. Let's see how it works out. There we go. 4 times 3 divided by 1, minus 7. Okay, well, good stuff, guys. All right, our next video will be using this function, or these operators that you just learned here, and we'll be creating a how much would you weigh on the moon application. It's going to be our very first application that involves a little bit of code. Okay, see you in a bit.